Welcome guys, in this video we're going to take a look at given the following: P equals mv, so momentum equals mass times velocity. We're going to rewrite the kinetic energy formula, so Ke for kinetic energy equals, okay, so normally this is written as 1/2 mv squared, but we're going to rewrite this in terms of momentum. So if you take P equals mv here, like that, then what you can do is you can rewrite this as the following. Look carefully. Up here in the kinetic energy formula, we have V, correct? We also have mass. So you could rewrite this in terms of either letter, to be honest, I guess. You could solve P equals mv for V or M, but I'll do it for V. So this is what I'll do. I'm going to put here P divided by M equals V. So because M and V are being multiplied, you just divide both sides by M. So V equals P over M. Now I can plug this in for V right here. And this is V equals P over M. You plug it into the V right there. So I'm going to put kinetic energy equals 1/2 M. And now for V, I'm going to put P over M from the line above. And I'll square all of it this way. All right. So that means kinetic energy Ke equals 1/2 M. I'm going to put P squared, you're allowed to distribute, and then M squared, you're allowed to distribute for sure, okay? So that means you're going to have now Ke equals 1/2 M P squared over, M squared means what? M times M on the bottom, correct? But now you see this M in red, that's going to cancel with this M right here in red, because one is in the top, one is in the bottom. So that's going to give us kinetic energy equals 1/2, the M is gone in the middle, and what's left is P squared over the remaining M, which means kinetic energy is now equal to 1 times P squared in the numerator is just P squared, that's how it's written. And then 2 times M is just written as a 2M. So there's another way of writing kinetic energy, P squared over 2M. Alright, here's all of the work. Should be able to see it from top to bottom. You will like it if it's